Welcome to an introduction to LeanMail Shared Inbox, one of 5 customizable modules that can be bolted on to Microsoft Outlook. A shared inbox in Outlook can be a challenging endeavor. The reason for this is that the shared inbox has the same default features of a regular inbox, even though as a team sharing one inbox, you have more robust needs. To coordinate the actioning and responding to emails within a shared inbox, we need better ways to communicate within a shared inbox team. Your team needs to know who is doing what and when. We also want to make sure that our most important customers are getting the attention they need. LeanMail's email software has augmented Outlook's capabilities with a number of tools that enable each user in a shared inbox to prioritize, plan, and filter the inbox in various ways. These features allow teams to collaborate efficiently and effectively, ensuring that important messages are not missed and tasks are completed promptly. Before we jump in, let's quickly understand the benefits to using the LeanMail shared inbox solution compared to a ticket system. Efficiency. A shared inbox is a more efficient way to manage email communications, as all team members can see and respond to messages in real time. Collaboration. With a shared inbox, team members can collaborate and share information easily without having to transfer or escalate tickets. Flexibility. A shared inbox is more flexible than a ticket system, as it allows team members to customize the inbox according to their needs. Simplicity. A shared inbox is simpler to use than a ticket system, as it eliminates the need for complicated ticketing processes and software. Overall, the LeanMail shared inbox solution offers a more efficient, collaborative, flexible, simple, and cost-effective way to manage email communications compared to a ticket system. When comparing a regular shared inbox to a LeanMail shared inbox, the first noticeable difference is the built-in responsible column. This feature allows team members to add their initials next to each email as they arrive, so everyone can see who is accountable for each message. Another useful feature is the Next Action column, which enables you to note down what needs to be done in response to each email, avoiding the need to reread the entire message. This column also serves as a communication space between team members. The When column allows you to easily add a due date to each mail. This can be done with as little as 1 or 2 keystrokes. And finally, the Customer column enables rating of emails as A, B, or C. These ratings can be done manually or entered automatically through a spreadsheet or a CRM system. Now that we have a good grasp of the fundamentals behind the additional columns, let's explore how our unique filtering system can optimize your team's productivity. In the All Shared Inbox view, all emails are visible, regardless of whether they have been assigned to a team member or not. If you would like to see which mails are waiting to be assigned to a responsible, change the view to All Unassigned. Any member of the team can choose these filter settings, and you can also assign a manager to the job. In the All Assigned view, you can see who is assigned to what action needs to be performed on each email, and when it is due. Notice that the mails are placed in order of customer importance. If one team member has too many emails, they can be easily moved to another person's group by dragging and dropping. The Just Me view provides a focused outlook where I can exclusively view my own tasks without any distractions from other team members' emails. Additionally, I can apply filters to this view to see only the emails that require my attention today. In summary, the LeanMail Shared Inbox module provides useful features that allow for efficient collaboration among team members. The ability to assign responsibilities, note next actions, categorize emails, set due dates, and rate emails helps ensure that nothing falls through the cracks and everyone is on the same page. Thank you for watching a short introduction to LeanMail Shared Inbox. To find out more about this and all our other LeanMail modules and training, visit us at leanmail.com.